It's time to take a look at the weather now, and Tom, relief from the heat is on the way.
Nakari, a cool change has just reached the state's far southwest, and it will reach most districts during the next 24 hours and drop temperatures by as much as 12 degrees, although the northeast won't see respite until Friday. Ahead of the change, a northerly resulted in another warm day for Sydney. Away from an afternoon sea breeze, the west climbed as much as 7 above normal. Parramatta topped 33 and Penrith 34. The city reached a high of 28, that was 3 above the average. And 28 is also the mean maximum for Sydney so far this March, which is currently running at an all-time record. Although for the record to hold, we will need to average above 27.4 for the remainder of the month. But you wouldn't rule it out. The longer range outlook from the 15th to the 28th shows a greater than 80% risk our maximum temperatures will be above normal. One of the influences behind this prediction is the Tasman Sea. Right now, waters off the southern coast are up to 3 degrees warmer than average, and warm seas heat the air directly above the surface. Today's warmth was observed right across the state. Minimums were up to 7 above average in the southwest, 21 for Hay and Griffith. Maximums were up on the average in every location thanks to northwest to northerly winds. 34 in Nowra was 9 above the average, while the state's high was 38 in Walgett. On the satellite, well, there is a band of cloud that's sweeping across southeast Australia with a cold front, although it is rapidly running out of moisture. And on the chart tomorrow, that front will push this trough north across our state. It's the boundary between the warm air and cooler southerlies. Around the country, cool behind the change in Melbourne and Hobart with a shower or two, warm and sunny ahead of the change in Brisbane, 34. For the northeast, a southerly change reaching the lower Hunter in the morning and the mid-north coast in the afternoon. It's a mostly dry change, just a possible shower to follow at night. Hot ahead of that southerly, 39 in Grafton, 36 in Tamworth. For the southeast, a cooler day with just a slight risk of a shower for the Illawarra, heading for the low 20s along the coast and around the mid-20s for the Ranges. To the west, mostly sunny and much cooler in the south and west, highs back to the mid-20s. Still hot for the north though, 38 in Narrabri. On the waters, strong to gale force winds off the south coast and seas to 3 metres, 20 to 25 knot winds for the north. For Sydney, a sunny morning, then cloud increasing in the afternoon behind a southerly change, averaging up to 35 kilometres per hour. Staying mostly dry, just a slight chance of a late shower. After a low of 21, a top of 27 in the city, 25 for Bondi, Terrey Hills, 26 in Parramatta, up to 29 in Penrith. The sun will rise at 6:51 and set at 19 minutes past 7. And ahead for the city, slight chance of an early shower for Friday, and it will be a cooler day with lower humidity, a range of 18 to 24. That's ahead of a dry and mostly sunny weekend, 25 for Saturday, then warming to 28 on Sunday. Staying warm early next week, though, with the chance of showers. And for the west, mostly cloudy and 23 for Friday. Noticeably cooler nights this weekend, dropping to the mid-teens, but with warmer days quickly returning. 26 Saturday, 29 degrees on Sunday. Nakari.
Tom, thank you. That's all from ABC News for now. Sarah Ferguson is up next with 7:30.